Hi everyone! Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts. I'm going to show you the Brighter Days Cricut Mystery Box. It does include a super pretty silver-green cutie. I know you'll love this one. You can always find purchase link and discount info in the description right under this video. Thank you for using my link. If you do, I will earn a small commission, but never at any extra cost to you. So let's see what's included in this fabulous mystery box. And here's the cutie. Super pretty. I'll put a photo here on the side so you can see it closer up. It's really adorable. First time release, we've never had this color before. It's called Silver Green. Very, very pretty. I love it. So let's see what else is included. We have a basic tool set. So you have scissors, scissor covers, scraper, tweezers, spatula, and weeding tool. Can never have too many tools. I have them everywhere in my craft space and beyond. I'm always moving them around. Then we have insert cards. These are foil transfer. They're 4 3/4 square. I love the square cards. Super nice. I love the foil trim too. That really creates a nice effect. Then we have a second pack. These are foil transfer and holographic foil. They are both 14 cards, by the way. And again, 4 3/4 square. We have a set of 30 pens. Really terrific. These fit all the Explore and Maker machines up to the 4 series, number 4 series, and they're fine tip 0.4. You can see all the colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Beautiful set. And last but not least, we have a set of metallic markers. These are 1.0. Beautiful colors. Really gorgeous. This is the Brighter Days mystery box with this gorgeous silver green cutie. Don't hesitate if you want it. It will go fast. As mentioned, everything you need to purchase is in the description right under this video. I hope you're going to enjoy your mystery box, and thank you for watching.